LG is ready to launch a new affordable W series smartphone for India to take on the likes of Redmi, Samsung and Realme. We know these brands already hold firm grip in Indian smartphone market, and to be frank, LG is nowhere close to that, at least in budget segment, and this will be a redemption for LG. So let me tell you the specs of the first W series smartphone from LG, the LG W10. It will feature a polycarbonate body with a gradient back, and it will be available in 3 colors: green, blue and black. It features a 6.22-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 720x1500 pixels with a U-shaped notch housing a selfie camera. LG will further be offering software tweaks, so users will be able to simulate a range of notch design on the phone, U-shape, V-shape or no notch at all. And you won't get to see any in-screen fingerprint scanner, but it will have a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner which does its job pretty well. The device is powered by MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor, which is a powerful processor at this price point. And for graphical performance, this phone has got a Mali G72 MP3 GPU paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage along with 256GB of expandable storage via microSD card. In terms of camera, it is said to host a triple camera setup with a 13MP primary camera sensor, a 5MP sensor and a 2MP sensor. At the moment, it's unknown what kind of sensor it will feature, but looking at the trend, we can safely assume it will be a wide angle and a depth sensor. And for front camera, it will have a 8MP sensor. In battery department, it packs a 4000 mAh battery to take you through the day without any problem. It's still unknown whether it features a fast charging of any kind, but it will charge using micro USB. Other than that, you will get Android Pie out of the box, 4G, 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 and 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, I can say a decent spec list, nothing interesting, but Helio P70 triple camera setup, a 4000 mAh battery makes it a compelling option. And it is expected to launch on June 14th with a price tag of less than 10,000 rupees for the base model. So this is it guys, like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace out.